we have the second of our 9 20 by 20 presentations that we have, again, the passion that you guys had, the diversity of topics and talent that was displayed in the submissions is tremendous, as you'll see. I don't think I need to introduce Jayashree to many of you. I think a lot of you already know her, but Jayashree Sundaresan.
Thanks, Nick. Hello, everyone. Okay, now, how many of you have seen the movie Sound of Music? All right, that's a lot of people. That's awesome. So recently, my 2 little daughters and I are into the songs from Sound of Music, and one of the songs we love is Raindrops on Roses, Whiskers on Kittens. These are a few of my favorite things. Such a beautiful song, and it teaches so many life lessons in a very simple fashion. How to be optimistic, how to have a positive attitude, and appreciating and recognizing good things around you, and always keeping an eye on the big picture when things are not going your way. So when I heard about the 2020 presentation that we had to do, I figured, why don't I do something about my favorite things at PayPal? And the theme here is employee engagement, because I think we all feel engaged to work for PayPal. We all love being here because we all have our own favorite list of things at PayPal. And I had the most fun preparing for it, thinking about PayPal, our people, our culture, all the perks we enjoy, all the fun stuff our company does for us, and of course our very, very bright future. Actually doing this re-emphasized my belief about what a fantastic company that we are all a part of. Now there's a twist to this whole thing. This is not a presentation. It's actually a karaoke song that I'm going to be singing. So there's going to be lyrics that's going to come up on the screen, and I would love for all of you to join me in singing along with me. And I do hope after listening to this that you all feel inspired to draw up your own list of personal favorite things at PayPal that you can actually remember from time to time when things are not going your way. With that, let me begin. Money through email and internet payments, global transactions and e-commerce statements, keeping our customers close to our hearts. These are a few of my favorite things. PayPal has a dream team, smarter than others. Everyone here encouraged to take risks. People are friendly and trust each other. These are a few of my favorite things. Focus on personal development and growth. Great groomers of leadership and talent. Innovation opportunities all around you. These are a few of my favorite things. When a friend quits, when a VP leaves, when there are hard changes, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Lots of forums to keep you connected. TechPal, Tech Summit, John Donahoe, all hands, event offsites. These are a few of my favorite things. Cafe, gymnasium, free snacks and soda, cricket and soccer, tennis, basketball, beautiful campus with landscape and pond. These are a few of my favorite things. Halloween, Diwali, Chinese New Year's, kids to work day makes our kids get excited. Flexible working hours, work from anywhere. These are a few of my favorite things. When the sides down, when the stock crawls, when the push rolls back, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Four trends that shape how our customers shop. Mobile, local, digital and social. Traditional boundaries are blurring here. These are a few of my favorite things. Customers now have a store in their pocket. New retail needs in their demand skyrocket. Merchants of all sizes highly challenged. These are a few of my favorite things. E is now slipping out of e-commerce, new retail future and unique position, connecting with our customers anywhere. These are a few of my favorite things. Digital wallet is the future. PayPal has a head start. Throw out your Visa and MasterCard. PayPal makes you so glad. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Julie Andrews, be aware. Man, so I don't know how she did that, but not only the creativity of doing that, but also the incredible bravery of standing up here and singing to those words in front of this crowd. That I don't think there's much musicality in this crowd, but anyway. So thank you very much, Jayashree. That was fantastic. And
back up. For those of you who weren't here last year, we'll get there. Settle down. She won a tremendous prize last year, too. And I know it was, what was that prize? I forgot.
Lunch
with me. It was unbelievable. And I'll never forget it. This prize is a little better, but you got to promise me one thing. Two things. One is you're going to sing for your prize. And this cannot show up on eBay for at least a year. Because this happens to be signed by the Woz. Little encore. I think they want an encore.
So before I sing again, I do want to say a few words.
That wasn't part of the deal. We did lunch.
So this has been a very humbling experience for me. All the response and love that I've been getting for the last few days means so much to me, and never did I expect that. All I wanted to share was my love and joy for PayPal, and it touched me that you all connected with that so much, and this is probably the closest I'm going to ever get to getting an Oscar. So I want to thank a few more people. My two daughters, Ananya and Akshara, whose love for this song was the inspiration behind this. My dear husband, Vijay, who was my partner in crime. I probably bugged him a lot. And my mom, who's probably still praying for me to win right now. I'll have to call her after this. And finally, my team and Terence for helping me shape this idea. Thank you so much. And I do think that I'm 200% certain that 20 years down the line, I'll be telling this story to my grandchildren. Money through email and internet payments, global transactions and e-commerce statements, keeping our customers close to our hearts. These are a few of my favorite things. PayPal has a dream team, smarter than others. Everyone here encouraged to take risks. People are friendly and trust each other. These are a few of my favorite things. Focus on personal development and growth. Great groomers of leadership and talent. Innovation opportunities all around you. These are a few of my favorite things. When a friend quits, when a VP leaves, when there are org changes, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Lots of forums to keep you connected. TechPal, Tech Summit, John Donahoe, all hands. Leaders, AELP, EVIT, offsites. These are a few of my favorite things. cafe, gymnasium, free snacks and soda, cricket and soccer, tennis, basketball, beautiful campus with landscape and pond. These are a few of my favorite things. Halloween, Diwali, Chinese New Year's, kids to work day makes our kids get excited. Flexible working hours, work from anywhere. These are a few of my favorite things. When the side's down, when the stock crawls, when the push rolls back, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Four trends that shape how our customers shop: mobile, local, digital and social. Traditional boundaries are blurring here. These are a few of my favorite things. Customers now have a store in their pocket. New retail needs and their demands skyrocket. Merchants of all sizes highly challenged. These are a few of my favorite things. E is now slipping out of e-commerce. New retail future is our unique position, connecting with our customers anywhere. These are a few of my favorite things. Digital wallet is the future. PayPal has a head start. Throw out your Visa and MasterCards. PayPal makes you so glad.
I told you we had talented people.